Siya yung nag-rescue kay Nemo. Okay? The name of that pelican is Fetch. The scientific name of that is Pelecanus. Okay? This pelican is a type of bird. At the same time, she is also carnivorous kasi nga may liver siya. And at the same time, they were originated in North America. But in that country, endangered na sila. Pero, mabilis din naman silang dumami. Okay? Natatagpuan sila sa mga seaside, sa mga rivers. Okay? And yung kanilang... yung mga pelicans po, nakalala sila kasi meron ng famous throat pouches. Okay? Kasi yung mga iba't ibang variety ng mga pelicans. Yung mga ibang mga pelicans, sir, yung kanilang throat pouches, ginagamit nila yung different ways. Okay, so itong pelican ito, hindi siya nag-i-stir ng fish ang kanyang throat pouches. Kaya tinipon niya yung mga fish and then hinihintay niya yung wako tsaka niya nilulungin yung kanyang nangihintay fish. They can live for about 10 to 25 years in the wild. Okay, that's maybe our the scientific name of that is Galapagos. Okay, we have also the Arowanas, the jumping Arowanas. Okay, aside from Japanese toys and flower more Arowanas sa Latin shows. Okay, now we're going it is now to our Daniel's gallery. Okay, kids, if we were born in the year of the dog, we are lucky this year. Yes, this is the vegetable trellises. Okay?
Let's see, that's so
Now we have the sponge boy. Okay, if we were born in the year of the dog, you are lucky this year. It's a lucky one.
I told you inside Java.
And we have also the Dancing Fountain Lagoon, but for now, hindi siya nagpa-function kasi out of order. Okay, ang drama po dito, kapag naghulog po tayo ng coin sa loob ng ating box, automatic siya magsa-sound and then automatic na magpa-count. Okay. And then we have also the Gotocola. Gotocola is curing for leprosy, hypertension, and mental confusion also. Gotocola. For the mental confusion. The same side, sir, aphrodisiac is Gotocola.
It's good for a lot of material for diabetes, high blood, high cholesterol. It can help suppress the growth of cancer cells. We've been giving it up. Opo, we breed the butterflies and we release it.
Okay, kids, now proceed to our national song. Before we end into the sarado.
Ayun, bukas doon ako. Dito, bukas.
Pasok ka, Neil. Gusto mo dito.
Pwede mo na si insectarium showcase.
What?
Pwede mo na sa umpisa. Dito. We now proceed first with insectarium showcase. We were showcasing here some of our insects, like leaf insects, rhinobeetle, stud beetle, and praying mantis. As you can see, all of them are dead. But we share this for you guys to see what is the physical characteristics of each insect, because these insects, they cannot survive in a moist, in a humid place like this area. Kasi yung mga insects po na yan, nabuhay lang sila sa moist lowland. And we are proud to say, kids, that we are the owner of the large praying mantis in the world. Siya makita? Kaya matatakot. Ayun yung ating pinakamalaking praying mantis. Ayan, na-preserve na rin po natin siya. So, kunilong natin yung ating praying mantis. Para hindi na siya makakalong.
Rocky!
Yung Tagalog is mana ng kala. Tawag sa mga praying mantis. Tinawag siyang praying mantis kasi para siya nagpipray. Lagi siya nakalong. Kami call this area sa Daniel's Gallery. Kasi yung pag-harvest po na ginagawa na po natin ng business, sir. Okay? Pero dito sa bio-research, ang ginagamit po natin mga bees dito is European bees. Tapos okay, so yung mga nakita niyo po mga pink boxes doon, ayan meron po tayo mga glass hive. Dito po
The
tayo.
other one is kind of disgusting.
Dito na tayo. Okay, so ito yung top view ng ating mga European bees. Okay, so itong pink hive na ito yung isang colony nila. Okay. Sa isang colony, okay, we have 3 occupants, 1 queen, thousands of workers, and hundreds of drones. Okay, kailangan sa isang colony, isang queen na kasi pag dalawang queen yun, magpapatayan sila. Nagpapagalingan, nagagandahan sila. And the same time, later on, hanapin natin yung queen. And yung mga workers, ayun po yung mga babae. So, sila yung maraming work sa loob ng colony. And then yung mga drone, or batugan, sad to say, is yung mga lalaki. Kasi sa loob po ng colony, wala silang silbi, kundi to meet the queen lang. Okay, yung queen po, nag-lay siya ng egg 1,500 to 3,000 eggs a day. That's why we call them also